Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a link to an image here in Constant Contact. All right. So just go ahead and open up your email. Then once done, click on an image. If you don't know how to upload an image, it's pretty easy. Go to the left panel, click on layouts. Okay. Select a layout that has the image icon, or you can just go ahead over to images. Wait for your images. Click on upload if you don't have any images right here. Drag and drop wherever you want. Okay. Maybe I'll put a text in here, like click the link to check my YouTube channel or image. Okay. Like so. Now, once that's done, click on the image. You have the hyperlink right here. Click on it. You can go ahead and add in a web page, email, document, landing page, a gift card, or your phone. Okay. For example, we want it to be, as I have said here, my YouTube channel. And go ahead and click on web page. Copy the link of your YouTube channel, for example. Hit on insert. All right. So when someone clicks on this image, for example, I'm going to preview it. Preview. This is how it's going to look like on desktop and on mobile. All right. When someone ticks on it, as you can see, it will land you to the exact URL that you have inserted here on your hyperlink. Okay. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.